Hello everyone, and welcome to Chapter 4. Written Expression. In this chapter, we're diving deep into the essential skills needed for effective written communication in scientific and technical contexts. Our main goal here is to empower you to convey complex information clearly and concisely in writing. Whether you're dealing with technical documents, creating reports, exchanging information in writing, or preparing CVs and cover letters for internships or jobs, this chapter has got you covered. We're providing comprehensive guidance to help you excel in various written communication aspects within the scientific and technical domains. Let's get ready to enhance those written expression skills. Now, let's take a look at what we'll be covering in this chapter. Firstly, extraction of ideas from a scientific document. In this section we learn the art of pulling out key ideas and information from intricate scientific documents. In the second section, writing a scientific message. We master the skill of crafting precise and impactful scientific messages suitable for different audiences. In the third section, exchange of information in writing. We navigate the ins and outs of written information exchange within scientific and technical contexts. In the fourth, writing CVs. In this section we discover the strategies for creating compelling curriculum vitae (CVs) that effectively showcase your skills and experiences. At the end, letters requesting internships or jobs. We gain in this section valuable insights into composing persuasive letters for internship and job applications. Get ready for a deep dive into the world of written expression and scientific and technical communication. Let's kick things off. Today, we're talking about something really important: how to pull out the main ideas from scientific documents. These papers are like treasure chests full of knowledge, discoveries, and cool stuff. But, let's be honest, they can be a bit overwhelming. In this part, we've put together a guide, like a toolkit, to help you learn how to pull out the most important ideas from these documents. Think of it as your map through all that information, making it easier for you to find the good stuff and use it in your studies and work. So, let's jump in and discover the strategies that will not only make understanding these documents easier, but will also make you better at finding the most important ideas they have. Ready to unlock the secrets hidden in scientific documents? Let's go. Currently, we're diving into why extracting key ideas from scientific documents is such a big deal. Think of it as the superhero skill in the world of academia and research. Let me break it down for you. 1. Efficient research. Think of the vast world of scientific writings like a big library filled with articles, papers, and reports. For students, researchers, and professionals, being able to quickly find and understand the most important ideas is super useful. It's like having a special tool that not only saves time, but also makes the whole research process much easier and more productive. It's like having a good guide helping you find what you need in this big library. 2. Enhanced comprehension. Reading scientific documents can sometimes feel like walking through a complicated forest because of the difficult language and complex structures. But if you're good at picking out the most important ideas, it's like finding a clear path through that forest. It helps you focus on the main points without getting lost in all the complicated details. So, this skill makes understanding scientific stuff less hard and more like following a map. 3. Research focus and precision. For researchers, knowing how to find the key ideas is really important. It's like having a compass that shows them the right direction for their studies. This skill helps them come up with good research questions, ideas, and goals. It's like a GPS for their research, making sure they stay on the right path and don't get lost. 4. Interdisciplinary collaboration. In today's world, where people from different areas work together a lot, finding key ideas becomes a way to connect with others. It's like a common language that helps experts from different fields understand and build on each other's work. This is super important when working on big problems that need knowledge from many different areas. So, having this skill is like being a helpful link in a big team. 5. Informed decision making. Outside of schools and research, professionals and decision makers use scientific documents to make smart choices. Knowing how to find the main ideas is like having a guide that helps them understand what's important in these documents. It's like a compass in a sea of information, making sure they make good decisions based on a deep understanding of the science. Get ready to learn how to find these key ideas, a skill that will make you a research whiz and a decision-making superhero. Let's jump into the exciting world of efficient research and better understanding. Now, as we delve into the realm of understanding scientific papers, let's uncover effective strategies for extracting essential information. Picture it as embarking on a journey through a substantial book brimming with valuable details. Here are some user-friendly methods to guide you. Skim and scan. Consider skimming as the preliminary glance at a map before embarking on a journey. Similarly, when you begin reading a scientific paper, swiftly navigate through the title, abstract, and headings. This offers a snapshot of what to anticipate and where to locate crucial details. It's akin to creating a roadmap for your exploration through the paper. Identify keywords. Think of keywords as the signposts guiding you through your journey in the scientific paper. Identify and highlight words that are essential to your research. These words act as indicators, directing you to the relevant sections of the paper. It's similar to marking key points on your map to ensure you stay on the right path during your exploration. Focus on abstract and conclusion. Consider the abstract and conclusion as key stops during your journey through the scientific paper. Just as you would pay attention to important landmarks, read these sections closely. They encapsulate the main points and help you understand the essence of the paper quickly. It's akin to stopping at significant landmarks that provide a clear overview of your entire journey. Break down sections. Visualize the scientific paper as a map with distinct regions. Explore the introduction, methods, results, and discussion sections as if they were different stages of your research journey. Concentrate on the segments that align with your research goals. This approach is similar to navigating through different stages of a journey, where each section represents a unique part of the terrain you're exploring. Use visual aids. Consider visual aids, such as graphs and tables, as road signs that make information more accessible on your scientific journey. Analyze these elements carefully, as they often convey critical information in a visual format, simplifying complex details. It's similar to following road signs that provide clear directions, making your journey more straightforward and understandable. Look for citations. Visualize the scientific paper as a network of roads connecting various studies. When the paper references other studies, follow those references. It's akin to finding shortcuts or alternative routes that can enhance the efficiency of your research journey. By exploring these paths, you may discover additional sources and key ideas related to your research, making your journey more comprehensive and insightful. Take notes. Think of taking notes as creating a personal diary of your journey through the scientific paper. Summarize the main points, concepts, and findings in your own words. This process reinforces your understanding and provides a quick reference, much like recalling highlights from your travel diary. Just as a well-kept travel diary helps you reminisce about the significant moments of your journey, detailed notes ensure you capture and retain the essential information from the scientific paper for future reference and application in your research. Compare and cross-reference. Consider this strategy as employing different maps to ensure you're on the right path in your research journey. In the scientific paper, compare information across various sections. This comparative approach acts as a reliable compass, helping you verify the consistency of key ideas and identify patterns or discrepancies. Just as comparing multiple maps ensures you stay on the correct route during a journey, Cross-referencing information within the paper enhances your confidence in the accuracy and reliability of the extracted key ideas. It's a methodical way of ensuring the coherence of the information, contributing to the robustness of your understanding and research outcomes.